Now let's test our Facebook ETL code we wrote in Python 3. Go to the Google spreadsheet and delete the last week's column out of your worksheets, for both the details and the totals worksheet. Then go back to the Visual Studio Code and execute the Facebook file. Open the terminal with Ctrl-Command backquote and change the directory to where your Python file is located. Execute the file with the command python3 and then the file name. The execution may take some time, 5 to 10 minutes, because of the sleep method in the details section. After it has run, go to your Google spreadsheet and check your data on the worksheets. We see here that everything worked.